Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to give you a tip. If you have an old version of iPhone or iOS and you would like to download an app but unable to download it, and you get a message that your version of iOS is old and this app is not compatible with this iOS version that you have. Then you try to download the new version of iOS and get the message that this phone is not compatible with this new iOS version. The iOS you need is not supported by your phone. So neither you are able to download the required iOS version nor you are able to download the app. So this is one of these scenarios. And the other scenario which we have experienced as well, that sometimes you have an app on your phone but due to some issue you have to delete it, assuming that you would download it again, but when you try to download you get the same message that this is new app which is not compatible with the iOS you currently have. There is a solution of both scenarios. You can still download the app on old iPhone with old iOS. Basically, you need an Apple account from your family or friend who has a new iOS or iPhone. You can use that account to log in on your old iPhone to download the app. There could be two scenarios. One is that the new account already has the app downloaded. If not, then first you have to download that app on the new phone. In both scenarios, what you have to do is that on the old phone, where you are unable to download the app, go to the settings and then tap on iTunes and App Store. Sign out from your Apple ID. Tap on email ID and press sign out. So, sign out from the account from where you are not able to download the app and sign in with the account of your family or friend who has the new iPhone or iOS and has that app downloaded. Now suppose that you have logged into your old iPhone with the Apple ID of a person who has new phone or new iOS. Okay. Now go to the App Store, tap on blue user icon at top right and then tap on purchased in the second row. Purchased shows the list of the apps that has been purchased or downloaded from this new account. Now choose the app you would like to download and press the download icon in front of the app. The icon which has the down arrow. Now you will get a message that the current version of iOS does not support this app. Would you like to download the old version of this app? So say yes, and it will download the old version of the app you are looking for. Once the app is downloaded on old phone, now you go back to settings and sign out from your family or friend's borrowed account and sign in with your Apple ID again. So this is the way you can download an app on old iPhone. Okay then, thank you for watching.